is my new lockdown pineapple dessert. It's very easy and simple to make. You only need a pineapple, bananas, preferred ice cream, strawberry, and just add milk in there. Okay, I'll give it a taste. Start to fall off. This is awesome. Try this home for yourself. Very easy to make, like I said. If you want to support me, just make sure you like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Peace out.